Welcome. This is how to fix high CPU usage. Now, first is restart your PC. So guys, a quick reboot clears stock background processes, hogging CPU power. Another method is check the task manager. So press Ctrl Shift Escape. In processes, find which app is using the most CPU and you can just simply close it. Another one is disable the start up apps. So go to task manager and go to the start up apps. And of course, just simply disable all of the unnecessary programs from auto launching. Now, another one is update Windows and drivers. So in settings, go to Windows Update and install all updates. And you could also do a update on your GPU, chipset, and storage drivers for smoother performance. Another one is scan for malware. So run a full scan with Windows Security or your antivirus because a malware is a common cause of 100% CPU spikes. There you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.